Hello everybody, this is Abdul老师. This is Learn Chinese with Abdul vocabulary development section, and our target is to learn HSK level 1 vocabulary. Let's get a quick review what we have studied up till now. Day 1. Quickly. 我们你们他们这那 Day 2 家爸爸妈妈哥哥弟弟姐姐妹妹男朋友女朋友 Day 3 儿子女儿漂亮老公老婆老板老师认识 Day 4 先生小姐医生医院学生学校学习同学人 Day 5大小小狗小猫很好不太好有没有爱 Day 6开来去读看听说吃饭睡觉 Day 7书电影电视电脑电话杯子桌子椅子东西 And today we are at day 8. So let's see today's vocabulary. Well, the first word today is 商店商店means store or a shop. Number 2 饭店饭 is from 吃饭 that means meal, and 店 is from 商店 that means a store or a shop. So 饭店 means a store where you can find the meal, that means a restaurant. Number 3 书店书means book, and 店 is from 商店 that means shop, that means book shop. Very easy. Next, number 4 水果店水果means fruit, and 店 from 商店 that means fruit shop. So we have 4 kinds of shops. 商店 is a general store. 饭店 means a restaurant. 书店 means a bookstore, while 水果店 means a fruit shop. Let's go to number 5. 出租车means taxi. Sometimes we say like 大地, but actual word is 出租车 Okay, let's go to number 6. 打电话 In our last lecture we have discussed that means telephone, and 打 with third tone that means to make or to dial. So to dial a call we say 打电话我给你打电话 I gave you a call. Okay, number 7 名字名字名字名字 means name. For example, 你叫什么名字 What is your name? Let's go to number 8. 钱钱钱 That means money. Number 9. 衣服衣服衣服 means clothes, your dress. This is all from today's lecture. Let me repeat the words which we have learned today. 商店饭店书店水果店出租车打电话名字钱衣服 Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please like and share with other friends and see you guys tomorrow in lecture number 9.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.